Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
The message, "Recovery server could not be contacted," typically appears during the macOS installation or update process, indicating a connectivity issue. This can occur due to several reasons, such as an unstable internet connection, incorrect system date and time settings, or Apple servers being temporarily unavailable. To resolve this, ensure your device is connected to a reliable internet source, check and adjust the date and time settings to be accurate, and try restarting the installation process. If the issue persists, waiting a few hours before retrying can also help, as it may be related to server availability.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.